Introducing the all-new 2024 Opel Mokka SC1.2 100ps-pet-6sp 4-door in stunning red. This MPV is powered by a fuel-efficient 1.2 litre petrol engine, paired with a manual transmission for a smooth drive. Loaded with comfort and accessories, features such as air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, cruise control and more, this Mokka ensures a luxurious driving experience. Safety features like ABS, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning provide peace of mind on the road. With added benefits like a chrome package, stop and start system, and energy recuperation, this vehicle not only looks great, but is eco-friendly too. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-specified servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can hit the road with confidence. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit opelnaas.ie for more information on the 2024 Opel Mokka SC1.2 today.